One bright morning, Sammy, with his elegant spines shimmering in the light, set out to find Charlie for their next big adventure. "Charlie, my friend, what mysteries shall we unravel today?" he called, his voice bubbling through the water. Emerging from a maze of coral, Charlie's vibrant stripes flashed a cheerful hello. "Sammy, I've heard tales of a sunken ship filled with wonders from the world above. Shall we explore?" Their hearts set on discovery, the duo danced through the water, past the rainbow corals and whispering seagrass to the legendary Sunken Ship. It was said to be a place of untold riches, where the sea kept its most guarded secrets. The ship, a ghostly giant, loomed from the ocean floor, its hull encrusted with jewels of the sea. Sammy and Charlie, fearless explorers of the deep, ventured inside, their eyes wide with wonder at the treasures that surrounded them. In the heart of the ship, they stumbled upon a chest, not of gold, but of glowing stones that pulsed with a mysterious light. The stones beckoned, promising power and knowledge beyond their wildest dreams. Sammy, entranced, reached out to touch them. But as his fins brushed against the glowing surface, the ship began to tremble. The stones weren't just treasures, they were the heart of the ocean, keeping the waters balanced and life thriving. By disturbing them, Sammy and Charlie had unwittingly set off a chain of events that could unravel the very fabric of their world. The ship started to crumble, its ancient timbers groaning in protest as the ocean's fury was unleashed. Sammy and Charlie, realizing their mistake, raced against time to return the stones to their rightful place. As they worked together, a transformation began. The ship, rather than collapsing into ruins, started to bloom with life. Corals sprouted from its decks, fish swam through its halls, and the once foreboding wreck became a beacon of life, a symbol of the ocean's resilience and beauty. With the balance restored, Sammy and Charlie emerged from the ship, not just as friends, but as heroes of the Coral Kingdom. They had learned that the true treasure was not in the riches of the world above, but in preserving the harmony of their own underwater paradise. As they returned to the coral reefs, their adventure became a legend, a tale of courage, friendship, and the sacred guardianship of the ocean's mysteries. Sammy and Charlie, with their bond stronger than ever, watched the sun set, knowing that their greatest adventure was not behind them, but all around them, in the vibrant, thriving life of the Coral Kingdom.